Today in this video I teach you how to use OR gate, nutty diagram. First, like positive to this wire, it is connected to logic gate positive, and this wire, this is connected to logic gate positive, and these two switches, one pole is positive, other pole is output. Output is connected. This output is connected B. This output connected to A. This is output of logic gate. When I connect that wire to LED bots, LED negative to common negative, which means logic gate negative and power supply negative. This is a working diagram where are, let me find both these dates. Where are this one? It is a input, two transistors connected parallel, and 1 kilo ohm resistor and LED to out, which means there's what 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, which means A is positive, B is 0, which means B is negative, it is turned on. A is negative, B is positive, it's turned on. It's connected B, it's turned on. And now we place that wait to connected, it's working. Now remove both these keys at a time. It's like stuck. Now remove. It's turned on, which means 0 0 0 is output 0, which means if these are two transistors in connected in parallel, if you give positive volt to both these transistor base, at which time voltage flow to positive with positive to collector and emitter to 1 kilo ohm resistor to LED to ground. If LED starts running, if you run two transistors at same time on one, if you run one transistor at one time, it is completely the same way. If you run two both these transistors at one time, it is also same way, so it is not a parallel. Now comes Nand gate. Our connected configuration where first we are where positive, we have power supply 5 volt power supply like this one. It's connected positive to positive and T plug one and other T plug to this first T plug to second T plug connect with this one wire, other this is the other opposite side of T plugs connect to I mean B and A. This is the output of logic gate connected to positive of LED bots light there. This one negative to connected to power negative. Now positive wire connect light there and directly connect to this to there and these to there. It's this to these wire connected to this switch output system with A, B will come there and Y will LED. We'll take steps. Yes, Nand date 000 Nand date 00001 00111110110. It means it is a 00, it's 1. Now it's connect 1 like these. Now it's 1. First is B1. B is right there, which means plug into this. B is right there. Now it's another one. 1 1. It is not a little bit problem, so pushing this key is turned off, which means 1 1 0. And if I remove both these keys, it is also shown 1. Still like a stuck. 1 0 1 on 1 0 it's turn on. Remove other one. This one it is on. Now place this back in them. It is off, so date circuit. Our connected there is a connected power supply positive to this date, first date positive, second date positive, and third date positive, and other power supply negative to first date negative, second date negative, and third date negative on LED negative. Positive also connect to these three ports each side. One side from A, B to B1, A1. There are two output coming into this, and if a total this one is come from one output. It is almost input 4 inputs, two outputs convert to one output. First come this side is not this is a not date. This is which date? Not date. It's Nand date. It is and date. These are connected. So first check 0 0 0. First according to this diagram. First, it is all date. Where is all date? This is all date. All date. It is all light. It is all date. One output one. This is a one, and this is other date. Become other date. Other is and is also one. Now come Nand. It is 0 0. Output 1. 1 1. Output 1. Which is of these 2 points I will connect in never more switch. So I have 2 switches. T switches I will use 2 switches. Take this wire and connect to positive. You see it's lights off. It's now connect 1. This one nothing happened. This one nothing happened. There are 4 input 0 0 1 1 0, output 1 1 1 0, and out 1 0 is other date to 1. This is a today video about it. Meet our next day with next video.